Here we have the gorgeous Range Rover Evoque Autobiography. This vehicle comes with a 1.5 P300e petrol plug-in hybrid engine alongside a 9-speed automatic transmission. This particular model comes in the gorgeous Santorini black and has some fantastic spec, including these LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, 20-inch alloys with a contrasting diamond turned finish, and red brake calipers for a sportier look. Heading to the rear of the vehicle now, as you can see you have an electronically powered tailgate. Inside you easily have enough storage space for all of your personal items, 2 large suitcases or even a set of golf clubs. You do however have the option to fold your rear seats for further capacity. Heading into the back of the vehicle now, in the centre you can find your rear vents and heated seating, along with your USB-C port. And here are your beautifully designed contrasting leather perforated seats with beneficial ISOFIX points and even a central armrest with fixed twin cup holders. Hopping into the front you have the same interior environment continue, along with Meridian sound system for the highest quality listening experience. Now panning towards your 14-way memory and electric front seats with manual headrests for maximum comfort. Above you have a generously sized sliding panoramic sunroof, ideally for summer days to give your vehicle an open feel. The additional benefit of a ClearSight interior rear view mirror to ensure you're always aware of your surroundings. On your driver's side door you'll find your electrically powered wing mirrors and windows, and just beyond your memory seat function, ensuring every journey can be as comfortable as the last one you took. Your stylish full leather steering wheel offers your phone book to make and take those hands-free calls, voice recognition system, lane assist, speed limiter, and even a heated steering wheel, perfect for winter mornings. You can adjust the settings just above on your interactive driver display, and as you can see you'll find a range of different sections with multiple options to suit your personal preference. This vehicle has done 7 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your main display you're up to date with the latest infotainment features, such as your 3D surround camera system, making reversing or manoeuvring much easier and safer to do. Your voice recognition system, allowing you to keep your head up and eyes on the road when making any commands. Or even valet mode, keeping any of your personal details safely hidden away if and when necessary. You can individually change the temperature within the cabin for both driver and passenger, or opt to sync this as a pair. Dictate the direction of airflow, and of course adjust the airflow setting itself. You have heated and cooled seating, again individually adjustable for both driver and passenger. And finally, this model does come with terrain response, with a variety of different features, making it perfect for any driving conditions.